going on, everybody? It's Bruce Cheap Tech. We're back with another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the iPhone 11. Not the 11 Pro, just the 2-lens iPhone 11. What makes this phone special is the ability of the super wide angle lens. It gives you the opportunity to do vlogging like it should be, as if you're with a GoPro or something of that sort. We're going to cover the 5 categories we normally do. That's video quality, audio quality, vlogging capabilities, stabilization, and cinematic capabilities. I've already put a preview cinematic video up on YouTube. Check that out if you haven't. This is going to be my standardized test. We're going to see if the iPhone 11 truly is a phone that can replace your camera for making online creative content. Now, the video quality on this phone is outstanding. It'll do 4K 60 frames per second, which makes great for high quality slow motion videos. So video quality is covered. We're testing the sound quality on this iPhone 11. No external microphone, just the camera, just the phone. So tell me what you think. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about the, I don't know if you can hear it. There's a buzzing sound in the background. Some kind of plant next to this park that I'm at. I don't really know what they do, but if you hear that buzzing sound, I apologize. That's what it is. Audio quality, it's decent for a phone, but you could always use an external microphone and get a little bit better audio quality out of this thing. I feel like maybe that's the route you should go if you're going to replace your camera with this phone. What's up, everybody? This is the iPhone 11, not the 11 Pro, just the iPhone 11 vlog test. As you can see, with this new super wide angle lens, you can vlog like a pro on this thing. Now, I don't have any external microphones or any lapel mics or anything like that hooked up to this phone, or should I say camera. I don't have anything hooked up currently. I'm just using just the phone. There's nothing else attached to it. It's just the phone. And this just gives you a chance to see what this phone will look like vlogging with. There's a lot of other YouTubers saying that if you're just starting out, there's not much need for a true camera now. So let's take a look and tell me what you think. Vlogging capabilities, man, this thing's great. The only problem is if you're using the wide angle lens, it's on the back of the phone and you can't actually see yourself. But with that super wide angle lens, you know you're always in the shot, so that's a plus in my book. This is a stability test for this phone. It says, from the footage that I've seen so far, it looks pretty promising, almost like GoPro Hero 7 type quality as far as stability goes. But I'm just walking around this trail now. You can see it's not flat. This is just a walk. We'll do a run. There we go. Turn the camera around and you can see what I look like running with it. Ooh. Stabilization. This phone has some of the best electronic image stabilization that I've seen on a phone so far. It competes with the Google Pixel. It also competes with like the GoPro Hero 7. I haven't tried the 8 yet, but the 7, when it came out with that hyper smooth technology, this phone's pretty close to it. And cinematic capabilities, you can get some amazing footage. The right person holding this camera can get some amazing footage that can compete with some of the best DSLRs. I've seen some videos on YouTube that are just crazy. You can't even believe that any of these videos were shot with this phone. So the cinematic capabilities of this phone are amazing with the right editing. Final thoughts on this phone is, if you're looking to get into creating online content and you don't have the money for both a new phone and a new camera, and your old phone's trash, you should pick up the iPhone 11. You don't even have to go for the Pro. The only thing you're missing out on the Pro is the telephoto lens, which in most cases I really never used the telephoto lens on previous iPhone models. So the super wide angle lens is a must-have when creating vlogging content. And I believe that if you were wanting to just get into making online videos, don't worry about a camera yet. Don't spend the money on a DSLR. Pick up an iPhone 11 and get started. I've been using this phone more and more, even more than any of my cameras since I've picked it up. And I feel like the future of these phones will replace all cameras for online video content eventually. Maybe not for the specialists, but for the average online video content creator, these phones will eventually replace anything that we need as far as DSLR or mirrorless cameras or any of that thing. It is that good, and it's only going to get better.